good advice there from Stephanie. I feel like that goes for a lot of things, right?
I always ask.
Gotta ask.
And usually it ends up pretty well.
Yeah.
With really anything, I'm definitely
If you ask nicely, it goes a long way.
It's so true, though.
Matt, how's it going over there? We are really sitting in a pretty lovely day this Thursday.
Yeah, not bad if you're inside. It really is nice. Outside, so different story. More heat and humidity. Yeah, today, without the rain that we had, we did have some showers and thunderstorms, still have some, and we'll track those in just a second. But without the widespread rain that we had yesterday, boy, temperatures have responded nicely. We're up near 90 again today, generally mid and upper 80s right now. You see our cool spot from Akron to Ravenna down towards the Canton area. That's also where we've got some drier air that's mixed in. This is where our rainfall is right now, all pretty much hinging on a lake breeze that developed. That was the only forcing mechanism we had, but it is thick. We had dew points mid-70s today, so that's more humid than we've been over the last 5 days or so. You marry those two numbers together, you get what it feels like. These are still some pretty serious numbers, mid-90s outside for all those that are outdoors today. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Core of this heat has shifted a little bit down to the west. We're centered right over areas of Missouri right now, so we're still on that periphery as we talk about. So we still have those storm chances. You can see the bigger picture of where that heat is. You get these showers and thunderstorms that ride along it. No big cluster move through today. Again, we had that little lake breeze that developed, but off towards the north and the west, there's a little bit more movement to the atmosphere. It's a little bit more disturbed, so to speak. This will approach tomorrow. I would not be surprised if we had a little bit more widespread thunderstorm action tomorrow off of this. You can see what's developing down to our south here this evening. That should stay south. Can't rule out a couple pop-ups the rest of the evening in this humidity, but overall, we're starting to see things kind of subside a little bit as this boundary continues to push down to the south. You can see the heaviest rain. We had some lightning in this over Coventry, areas near Barberton as well, but that is now pushed out. Just light rain for you in Summit County. A couple heavier downpours just south of you. Overall coverage, not a whole lot today. Your National Design Mart hour-by-hour outlook, you can see how things kind of calm down tonight as you'd expect. We'll likely have more fog tomorrow morning. We should start sunny tomorrow, but we'll watch that wave of energy off towards the west, perhaps ignite a few thunderstorms as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Another hot and humid one, but with the core of that heat shifting south and the west, not going to be quite as hot tomorrow. It's going to feel like mid-90s, so you're not going to notice the difference, but still hot. Saturday, I still think we're going to deal with isolated storms. I think a lot of the day is going to be dry on Saturday. So hot tomorrow, heat indices, models saying still low 90s. I think mid-90s, we get into some sunshine, but really the same pattern, and it's going to continue all the way through Monday as it looks right now. We've mentioned last 2 days, tropics need to be watched. This is now, as of right now, what's new. Tropical storm Ida, just named a tropical storm. You can see this thing really coming together just south of Cuba here, but this is going to be of interest over the weekend and likely national news next Monday and Tuesday, as I really think National Hurricane Center is saying a Cat 1, Cat 2 as this rapidly develops in the Gulf. I would not be surprised this is a Cat 3 or Cat 4 as it makes landfall somewhere between Texas, Louisiana, even the areas near Alabama, Mississippi coastline. This is going to be a big deal next week for the Gulf Coast. And water temperatures, this is bathwater, folks, especially as you get closer. That's why I think we'll see that rapid intensification next Sunday night and Monday. Something to watch. Union Home Mortgage here at home, though. 7-day forecast showing temperatures up near 90 degrees. More storm chances through Monday. Monday's the clearing day. We get things out of here. We bring in some high clouds and sunshine, lower humidity, and then we deal with perhaps tropics locally. We'll have to keep an eye on where that system goes. Guys.